What up world, it's your boy Killer Cuts Miami, the master of creations, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to do a fade with a design. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start out the cut by using a 1.5 going down. Basically what I'm doing is I'm knocking all the excess bulk off so that I can have a good clean area to do my transition. I follow that up by taking off the guard and keeping the blade all the way open and creating my transition line. Once that step is complete, I come back with my 1.5, going all the way up to the crown of the head. And basically what I'm doing is continuing the debulking step and just refining the process. Once that step is complete, I come back with my number 1 all the way open, and I'm smoothing the hair down so that I can have a clean landscape to work with once it's time to start applying my design. Now I begin the fading process of fading up. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a light transition on this area so that my design can have a little bit of character. But I'm not gonna complete the fading steps just yet because I wanna have as much dark area to work with so that my design can pop. Now it's time for my design. I take my outliners and I start by creating the desired pattern that I'm looking for. One of the steps that I use when I'm creating my designs is I like to take my clippers and flip them upside down so that I can line both sides of the line. It makes the line just look a little bit crisper to me. And once I go on my razor, it's not much work to be done, so it's just a lot more refining. And it also gives the line some definition and some transition. I like to see my lines have multiple steps in them or a little bit of graduation. Here I am now with no guard on, completing the bottom of the blend now that I've placed my design into the haircut. I add my 1 towards the back because I'm doing kind of like a drop fade, so I need a darker transition in the back. A little finishing word there. Here I am now. I'm taking my outliners and I'm balding the bottom of the fade so that I could give it a little bit more transition. After this step, I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my fading clippers with the blade closed and just work that line out. Just continue to just refine the process. Now that the first half is done, I continue the same steps on the second half of the haircut. As you can see, I left a little bit of hair towards the bottom of the second half of the fade. That's because I wanted to, just do a little bit more for my design. I wasn't sure how I was gonna finish it off, so I just left enough real estate so that I could have the freedom to create. Once I decide how I was gonna finish it off, then I'll continue my fading process. now that my fading process is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my razor and just detail the design a little bit. I'll follow this up by completing the lineup, and then the haircut will be complete. Finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can be updated with future content. Thank you for checking my channel out.